Hello everyone, welcome to Dicolor's booth. As you said, as you can see, this very nice cylinder. And
So how does it work?
first, we can see this like very nice cylinder. We made this with.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it what's the dot pitch of the LED?
For this one, this big cylinder is 2.6 flexible one, and for the floor, we have 2.9 outdoor floor. Yeah. With this floor, we can support the car coming through. So first, we will install the whole floor on, and then we put the whole cylinder on this floor. Yeah. You can see. It's very
What
nice.
is the engine? What is the CPU running all this?
Okay. The ceiling is our hottest seller, transparent, 3.9 transparent.
All right.
See.
You got the ceiling all the way here.
Yeah.
It looks cool. It's like entering a volcano or a hurricane. Oh, I'm in a tornado right now, actually. This tornado effect. So where is your customer? Around the world?
Yeah, the whole world.
Is it very expensive to buy one of those?
It depends. According to my opinion, it's not so expensive.
All right. It's cost less than a house, hopefully. And then
Yeah.
you have all these systems here. All these. Let's go on this side over there.
Okay.
It can be interactive also.
No, this one is standard, but if you want interactive, we have some sensor to add inside.
Nice. And right here you have a cube.
Yeah.
Can you explain what's here?
Yeah, this is our UC series creative solution. Same panel, so we can make the flat, curve, and also 90-degree and cube. So we call creative solution.
And where's your headquarters, your company?
In Shenzhen, China.
And how many you make of this?
You mean the installation for this booth?
No, like do you make how many square kilometers of panels or square meters? You make many every day, big factory?
Yes, we are almost 20 years company, so we are like top 10 in the whole industry.